Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal met with the European Union delegation in Mumbai ahead of his departure to the United States, while talks with the United Kingdom continued to follow their relaunch last month. As one of the officials have also said, who added that the minister's America trip will pave the way for headway on a multi-sector bilateral trade agreement. Piyush Goyal has discussed the broad contours of the proposed India-EU free trade negotiation with EU Trade Chief Maros Sefcovic in Mumbai. The meeting set the stage for the 10th round of FTA negotiations in Brussels from March 10 to 14th. Arzu Seth is joining me live for more. Arzu, multi-sector bilateral trade agreement, and in fact ahead of the visit by the Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal, the India-EU trade ties have been strengthened. Piyush Goyal holds talks on the proposed foreign trade agreement in the crucial meeting that has been held. Share the latest that you are picking up, and in fact, how did the meeting go? Share more details.
Yes, Simran, the European Union College of the Commissioners, the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Piyush Goyal, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, and the Union Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, Jitin Prasad, Union Minister for Railways, Ashwani Vaishnaw, and the Secretary, Foreign Secretary, Vikram Messi attended a dinner reception hosted by the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII), and also during the dinner reception, the leaders were engaged in the conversation. The dinner reception was organized as the European Commission President was on a 2-day visit to India from February 27 to 28, and earlier also the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal had a candid and the insightful discussion with the EU Trade Commissioner and in Delhi, and the meeting focused on the progress of the India-EU Free Trade Agreement and the Trade and Technology Council. So, in a social media post also, Goyal stated that had a candid and insightful discussion with the European Trade Commissioner over the breakfast today on the India and EU FTA and the progress of the Trade and Technology Council, and existing time are ahead as we work towards elevating our trade and investment ties to the next level as trusted partners. And also earlier on Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded the partnership between the India and the European Union, terming the strategic partnership between them as the organic and the natural. And also he stressed that the European Commission President and the College of the Commissioners to India in unprecedented and welcome them to India. So PM Modi said that the many decisions have been taken to elevate and accelerate the partnership between India and the European Union.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.